Okay guys, check the serial number and check the battery level. The battery level is 81% at the moment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace the battery BMS, which is the metric system, and also the battery cell. So I will actually add a new battery with the original iPhone Flex, and that's how actually I'm replacing the battery. Then I calibrate it to 100%, and that's how you have a new original battery. So this is the way which it has to be done. So I resoldered the readings. This is the original BMS. I soldered it to the new battery, and I close down. I use the new battery foil so I can just cover the flex. That's it. Now I calibrate the battery and it goes to 100%. I minus the cycles, which were 1000. I put a fake battery to cheat the phone, and then I put the original battery. At the moment that the battery reads on top, then I remove this cable which I used to calibrate. I remove the foil, apply the new battery, close down, and there you go. The important battery message is gone. I show you the serial number is the same. It's not a different phone, so just to be aware of that. And the battery level is 100% with the new battery. So thank you.